Good morning, Bangalore. So great to be here.
India continues to be a country that we want to invest in. It's our main R&D hub now.
We're building AI to understand and bring out data from documents.
This is always a very special event for ABBYY. It gives us a chance to come out and meet with our developer community.
All of this is about bringing that community together, enabling them through hands-on demos, getting them access to software, sharing ideas, and really helping to collaborate together.
Especially in this year and going forward, we've put a lot of effort into community and expanding a variety of resources so that developers across all different industries and types of developers can connect.
ABBYY is committed to enable our partners, our developer community, and to grow, to build, to innovate.
So this was my first time attending the developer conference from ABBYY, and we got the opportunity to being one of the panel members and speak about the COE that we have set up, which was very interesting.
This year, we invited some college students as well, some university students, and I was amazed to see the amount of innovation talent that they brought to the stage.